Question 1. When picking up passengers, the bus should be A. At least 5 feet from the curb. B. Parallel and close to the curb. C. On an angle to the curb. Answer: B. Parallel and close to the curb. This ensures safe and easy boarding for passengers. Question 2. True or false? It's acceptable to refuel a bus with passengers on board. Answer: false. Refueling with passengers on board is a safety hazard. Question 3. When a passenger with a disability boards, you should A. Ignore them and continue with your duties. B. Offer assistance, but only if they ask. C. Always assist them without asking. Answer: B. Offer assistance, but only if they ask. It's respectful to offer help, but only provide it if requested. Question 4. The primary purpose of an interlock system is to A. Play music inside the bus. B. Ensure the bus cannot move while passengers are boarding or alighting. C. Help with the bus's navigation. Answer: B. Ensure the bus cannot move while passengers are boarding or alighting. Interlock systems enhance safety. Question 5. True or false? It's acceptable to allow passengers to stand just behind the white line near the driver. Answer: true. As long as passengers are behind the white line, they are in a safe position. Question 6. In case of a fire on the bus, the first step should be A. Try to put out the fire. B. Evacuate the passengers. C. Call the fire department. Answer: B. Evacuate the passengers. Passenger safety is the top priority. Question 7. True or false? All bus exits must be clearly marked. Answer: true. Clear markings ensure passengers can safely exit in emergencies. Question 8. When driving in heavy rain, the main risk for a bus is A. Reduced visibility. B. Hydroplaning. C. Reduced fuel efficiency. Answer: A. Reduced visibility. Buses are less prone to hydroplaning due to their weight, but visibility is a primary concern. Question 9. Before starting the bus, the driver should always A. Check for any passengers left on the bus. B. Play a radio announcement. C. Adjust the rear view mirror. Answer: A. Check for any passengers left on the bus. Ensuring no one is left behind is crucial. Question 10. True or false? It's acceptable to talk to passengers while driving. Answer: false. Engaging in conversations while driving can be a distraction. Question 11. The primary purpose of a bus's suspension system is to A. Increase the bus's speed. B. Provide a comfortable ride for passengers. C. Enhance the bus's braking ability. Answer: B. Provide a comfortable ride for passengers. The suspension system absorbs road shocks. Question 12. True or false? A bus driver should always announce stops. Answer: true. Announcing stops ensures passengers are aware and can prepare to alight. Question 13. When a passenger wants to alight, they should signal the driver by A. Walking to the driver's seat. B. Using the stop request button or cord. C. Shouting stop. Answer: B. Using the stop request button or cord. This is the standard method in most buses. Question 14. True or false? It's acceptable for passengers to exit from emergency exits during regular stops. Answer: false. Emergency exits should be used only in emergencies. Question 15. The main concern when driving a bus in windy conditions is A. The bus might get dirty. B. The risk of the bus tipping over. C. Reduced fuel efficiency. Answer: B. The risk of the bus tipping over. High-profile vehicles like buses are more affected by strong winds. Question 16. When driving in tunnels, a bus driver should A. Increase speed to exit the tunnel quickly. B. Turn off all lights. C. Turn on low beam headlights. Answer: C. Turn on low beam headlights. This ensures visibility and safety. Question 17. True or false? A bus driver should always assist elderly passengers when boarding. Answer: false. While it's courteous to offer assistance, it should only be provided if requested. Question 18. The main reason for using air brakes in large buses is: A. They are quieter than other brakes. B. They provide better stopping power for large vehicles. C. They are cheaper to install. Answer: B. They provide better stopping power for large vehicles. Air brakes are effective for heavy vehicles. Question 19. True or false? It's safe for passengers to stand while the bus is moving as long as they hold onto something. Answer: false. While some buses allow standing passengers, it's safer for them to be seated. Question 20. If a passenger becomes disruptive, the bus driver should: A. Engage in a verbal argument with the passenger. B. Stop the bus and ask the passenger to leave. C. Continue driving and ignore the passenger. Answer: B. Stop the bus and ask the passenger to leave. Safety and order are paramount. Question 21. True or false? Buses have the right of way in all traffic situations. Answer: false. Buses must adhere to traffic rules and do not always have the right of way. Question 22. The primary purpose of anti-lock brakes on a bus is to: A. Reduce the braking distance. B. Prevent wheel lockup during hard braking. C. Make the brake pedal softer. Answer: B. Prevent wheel lockup during hard braking. This allows the driver to maintain steering control. Question 23. True or false? It's acceptable for bus drivers to use a mobile phone while driving if it's a quick call. Answer: false. Using a mobile phone while driving is a distraction and is unsafe. Question 24. When approaching a railroad crossing, a bus driver should: A. Accelerate to cross quickly. B. Always stop, look, and listen for a train. C. Rely on signals and not look for trains. Answer: B. Always stop, look, and listen for a train. Safety is paramount at railroad crossings. Question 25. True or false? Buses are exempt from height, weight, and length restrictions on roads. Answer: false. Buses must adhere to all road restrictions. Question 26. The main reason for having mirrors on a bus is to: A. Check for passengers inside the bus. B. Enhance the bus's appearance. C. Monitor traffic and ensure safe operations. Answer: C. Monitor traffic and ensure safe operations. Mirrors provide visibility for areas not directly visible to the driver. Question 27. True or false? It's safe for a bus driver to wear headphones while driving. Answer: false. Wearing headphones can be a distraction and prevent the driver from hearing important sounds. Question 28. When a bus is involved in an accident, the driver should first: A. Call their supervisor. B. Check for injuries and ensure passenger safety. C. Leave the scene to get help. Answer: B. Check for injuries and ensure passenger safety. The well-being of passengers is the top priority. Question 29. True or false? Buses should avoid making U-turns unless absolutely necessary. Answer: true. Due to their size and length, U-turns can be challenging and risky for buses. Question 30. The main reason for conducting a pre-trip inspection on a bus is to: A. Ensure the bus is clean for passengers. B. Ensure the bus is safe to operate. C. Check the bus's fuel level. Answer: B. Ensure the bus is safe to operate. Pre-trip inspections identify potential safety issues. Question 31. True or false? It's acceptable for bus drivers to consume a small amount of alcohol during breaks. Answer: false. Bus drivers should avoid alcohol entirely while on duty to ensure safety. Question 32. When driving in fog, a bus driver should A. Use high beam headlights. B. Use hazard lights and drive at normal speed. C. Use low beam headlights and reduce speed. Answer: C. Use low beam headlights and reduce speed. This ensures better visibility and safety. Question 33. True or false? Buses are allowed to overtake other vehicles in no passing zones. Answer: false. Buses must adhere to traffic rules, including no passing zones. Question 34. The primary purpose of a bus's exhaust system is to A. Reduce engine noise. B. Direct exhaust fumes away from passengers. C. Improve the bus's speed. Answer: B. Direct exhaust fumes away from passengers. This ensures a safe and comfortable environment inside the bus. Question 35. True or false? If a passenger misses their stop, the bus driver should reverse to drop them off. Answer: false. Reversing can be dangerous. The passenger should alight at the next stop. Question 36. In case of a medical emergency on the bus, the driver should A. Provide medical assistance themselves. B. Drive quickly to the nearest hospital. C. Stop the bus and call for professional medical assistance. Answer: C. Stop the bus and call for professional medical assistance. It's essential to get expert help in emergencies. Question 37. True or false? Buses have shorter stopping distances than regular cars due to their weight. Answer: false. Buses generally have longer stopping distances due to their weight and size. Question 38. The main reason for having a first aid kit on a bus is to A. Comply with regulations. B. Provide initial care in case of minor injuries. C. Treat major medical emergencies. Answer: B. Provide initial care in case of minor injuries. While major emergencies require professional medical assistance, a first aid kit can be crucial for minor issues. Question 39. True or false? It's acceptable for passengers to bring flammable liquids onto the bus. Answer: false. Flammable liquids pose a safety risk and should not be brought onto the bus. Question 40. When driving downhill, a bus driver should A. Use a lower gear to control speed. B. Rely solely on brakes to control speed. C. Accelerate to get downhill quickly. Answer: A. Use a lower gear to control speed. Engine braking helps maintain a safe speed. Question 41. True or false? It's safe for bus drivers to eat while driving as long as they are careful. Answer: false. Eating while driving is a distraction and is not recommended. Question 42. The primary purpose of a bus's horn is to A. Entertain passengers. B. Alert other road users of the bus's presence. C. Communicate with other bus drivers. Answer: B. Alert other road users of the bus's presence. The horn is a safety feature. Question 43. True or false? Buses are allowed to park in no parking zones if they are picking up or dropping off passengers. Answer: false. Buses must adhere to parking regulations unless specified otherwise. Question 44. The main reason for having seat belts on a bus is to A. Comply with regulations. B. Ensure passenger safety in case of sudden stops or accidents. C. Make the bus look modern. Answer: B. Ensure passenger safety in case of sudden stops or accidents. Seat belts can prevent injuries. Question 45. True or false? It's acceptable for bus drivers to wear sunglasses at night to reduce glare. Answer: false. Sunglasses at night can reduce visibility and are not recommended. Question 46. The primary purpose of emergency windows on a bus is to A. Provide ventilation. B. Allow passengers to view outside. C. Provide an escape route in case of emergencies. Answer: C. Provide an escape route in case of emergencies. Safety is the top priority. Question 47. True or false? Buses should always give way to smaller vehicles. Answer: false. While buses should be driven cautiously, right-of-way depends on traffic rules and the situation. Question 48. The main reason for having a fire extinguisher on a bus is to A. Comply with regulations. B. Put out small fires before they spread. C. Provide a sense of security to passengers. Answer: B. Put out small fires before they spread. Quick action can prevent larger fires. Question 49. True or false? It's safe for bus drivers to wear any footwear while driving. Answer: false. Footwear should provide a good grip and not interfere with pedal operation. Question 50. When approaching a roundabout, a bus driver should A. Always have the right of way due to the bus's size. B. Yield to vehicles already in the roundabout. C. Accelerate to enter the roundabout quickly. Answer: B. Yield to vehicles already in the roundabout. Safety and traffic rules should always be followed.